Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Boxycharm Premium. It has 6 to 7 full-size beauty products and it's only $35. So we're gonna see what kind of a good deal we got this month. First of all, I'm sorry I don't look cute. It was just one of those days and honestly, I'm just busy. Like I've just been really busy. So I know that my last several videos have been unboxings. They all seem to kind of come at one time of the month. If you guys are interested in seeing me do the boxes together, would that be more appealing than doing every separate box has a video kind of thing? Let me know what your thoughts are. I typically just do the unboxings when I get the boxes and they tend to come like one every single day or spaced out in a couple of days. So I just do quick short videos for you guys and upload them as soon as I can. But if you would prefer to see like, you know, Ipsy's together, Boxycharm together, head-to-head comparison, let me know what your preference is. Personally, I just like seeing what's in the box because it's hard to compare like Boxycharm to Ipsy because they're not all the same price, and doing comparisons are kind of a little tricky because they vary. I don't know how else to best put that. But let me know what your thoughts are. I'm just super comfy. I'm home from work. It's been a long day. I got up super early. If I look tired, I'm just tired. And after this, I'm gonna edit this video, get it up, and then chill for the rest of the night. So let's go ahead and dive in. I cut it open, but I haven't really looked. And again, there's spoilers, but I get so many boxes that I'm just like, I don't even know anymore. Like I can look at all the spoilers and then totally forget what I'm getting. So let's just see what we got. Okay, I think I remember one thing because we do pick an item. So Boxycharm Choice, you get to choose one of your items. And I do believe that I picked this flat iron. This is the Sutra Beauty ceramic flat iron infused with magnetic plates. I have not bought myself a flat iron in a very long time, and I think the other item was something that I already had or wasn't really interested in trying, so it made good sense for me to try out this flat iron. I haven't used this brand before. So this is the Sutra Beauty ceramic flat iron. This one goes for $79.99. Definitely not cheap. I currently use a chi straightener. Does anybody still use those? I've just had the same one for so long and it works. It also has like those floating plates, so I curl my hair with it, I straighten my hair with it. I literally do everything with that flat iron, so you know, I haven't felt the need to purchase a new one, but I am curious to see how this compares. So this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty blue color, like that. I don't know if this is supposed to like actually do anything for you or if it's just the design, I don't know. Seems like they don't really meet evenly. I don't know if they're supposed to, but they're touching here, but not like kind of the rest of the way. That may mean nothing at all. I'm not a hair expert. I'm gonna just tell you guys that. I don't know how to do hair well. Even my own hair, I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just try to make it look okay. So I'm curious to try this out, but for $80, it's a pretty good item to get. Obviously already more than double the cost of the box. So we're off to a good start as far as the retail value goes, and I'm excited to try it. I'm not always keen to get a lot of hair products because, I mean, like I said, I'm just not a hair expert, but this is a thing that I'm happy to get. So there's our first item. Next we got something that I already have and I love. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. When I first got mine, I was very timid about using it because I love it so much. It's kind of stupid because I have way too much, but sometimes, you know, you get that item and you're like, you want to savor it, you want to save it, but now I have two, so we're not going to be saving. And this one has literally like a fog mist, so it's like this. You want to really hold down the spray when you pump this. You don't want to just like spritz, spritz, spritz. You want to hold it down and kind of follow your face with it. Whew, this is so amazing for bare skin. You can use this over makeup to set your face with, but I just love it. It smells like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. It's so nice. I do really like some Glow Recipe products. I'm also really excited to try the lip balm. I just ordered the Trend Mood box and the new lip balm from Glow Recipes in that. So this is $28 from Glow Recipe, and yeah, I'm excited. I already know and love the product, and now I will use the other one maybe a little bit more liberally now that I have a backup. So silly. All right, now we have an Hourglass blush. I'm really excited to see the brand Hourglass in Boxycharm because they are more luxury, definitely expensive, but I feel like the quality of Hourglass is really up there. I think they make beautiful products, and I'm especially intrigued by all of their powders. Their ambient powders, their blushes, their highlights, very pretty, kind of softer, but in a way I love that because it can really make a whole look, that beautiful complexion, which we're not going to talk about right now. But this is the shade Diffused Heat. Now, I'm assuming this is going to come off maybe more coral, but this is what the actual powder looks like. They all have that marble effect to them. This is so beautiful. This blush goes for $40. It is not cheap by any means, but I'm going to do a little swatch. So I like this blush because I'm not a huge fan of strong blush. Like, you may not be able to even see it there. With a brush, it will definitely do more justice. So I've swatched it on my hand, and as you can see, it's just a little flush of color, if you can see that swatch there. It's gonna be subtle, but I feel like this is the perfect blush for me. And if I fall in love with this blush, I actually may get a couple other colors, because if it's as lovely on the skin as I think it will be, it's gonna be like amazing for me, because I want soft, kind of like flushed from within kind of blush, and I feel like this really gives you that. So I'm so excited to have Hourglass. Probably the most exciting thing in this box for me. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm gonna guess Faccia. It's Faccia. This is what the box looks like. This is the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. I don't know anything about this brand, so I don't really have any knowledge on it. I'm curious to try it, but I'm gonna just tell you, when I first saw this packaging, I thought it looked cheap. Like, I feel like I've seen packaging like this at TJ Maxx, and it's a brand that literally no one's ever heard of. And that doesn't mean anything. Like, the packaging can look horrible and the product be amazing, who knows? But it was just my gut reaction. Like, I was like, ooh, what is that? It's 50 grams of product and it goes for $100. I'm curious to see what the jar looks like. Oh, okay, so we're fancy, huh? So this is what it looks like. It's a very interesting looking jar. I mean, let me know, have any of you guys used this product? And maybe I'm just like in the dark about this for some reason. Like I said, it may be amazing. It is more of a gel consistency, which for me, when I think of Luxe moisturizers, I think of richer creams. Now, of course, people who spend a lot of money on skincare also have oily skin sometimes, so I understand that you're gonna get some that are more gel based. Feels very light. It really sinks right in. I don't know if that's perfume or just the smell of the ingredients that I'm smelling, but water, glycerin, gold, hydrolyzed sericin, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide. It's got several peptides in there. It says it's made in China, but cruelty free. I don't know. I wasn't excited about this, just seeing the packaging. And even though like it's got this heavy glass and this like really interesting, something about it still reads cheap. I don't know, is that bad? I'll have to try this out and see. I mean, it feels nice, but nothing about it is screaming like, oh my god, I absolutely need this moisturizer. I got a $100 moisturizer. I don't know, I'm not super excited, and when usually I would be. So I don't know. I'll give it a try. I'll let you guys know if it blows me away and really changes my mind. We got from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. So this is the box right here. Obviously, everyone's familiar with the famous Shape Tape Concealer. I never tried the foundation. I really wasn't that interested after seeing the initial like assortment of colors and things like that, and then it didn't really get good reviews either. So at that point, I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna stick with the concealer, but let's try out this primer. We're off to a good start. It's kind of like a milky looking primer. Ooh, it smells nice. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my skin since I don't have makeup on. Look at me turning red just from touching my skin. It smells nice. It smells like a natural coconut. It's got meadow foam seed oil. This seems decent. I do love hydrating primers. It reminds me a little tiny bit of the Smashbox Primerizer, but maybe this one's a little bit more tacky and a little bit richer in consistency. Just to compare, ooh, it feels actually really rich on the skin. I'm actually really excited to try this because I do have drier skin and I do love hydrating primers, and then I'll probably pore fill, you know, maybe with my Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer where I need it, and I'll give this a try. I'm actually kind of curious and it feels really nice on the skin. We've got one more thing. This is from Korres. This is a body butter. This goes for $32. So this is the Mediterranean Vanilla Blossom Body Butter. I feel like maybe I've smelled this one before. This one is 96.4% natural. I have tried Korres skincare and I really like their body washes. I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit. It smells nice. This one's an interesting scent because it does have like a very pronounced vanilla, but then it also has a floral bit to it. I don't know, the floral kind of kicks in after a minute, and I'm not a fan of like super floral fragrances, especially for lotions. I wish it just smelled like the vanilla, because when you first smell it, you're like, ooh, that vanilla. I don't know, this may be a little bit much for me because it's a pretty distinct scent. If you were to like the vanilla floral scent of this, then it would be amazing because it's very scented. It's got a strong scent to it. All right, so we got 6 items in total. I'm gonna quickly add everything up. I'm just gonna round the flat iron up to $80 at $79.99. So $80 for that. The Glow Recipe is $28, so that's $108. Hourglass is $40, $148. The Faccia Skincare is $100, so that is $248. And then we also got the Tarte Primer, that's $30, so $278. And then the Korres Body Butter, which is $32, so that puts us at $310. So I do have to say, for $35, I think this is well worth it. I'm definitely excited about the Glow Recipe. I'm excited about the Tarte Primer and the Flat Iron. I feel like those items alone are enough to make me really happy. But the Hourglass blush, even just to get that when you're getting a $40 blush, is really insane. I'm definitely most excited for that. So blush, the spray, the primer, the flat iron, 4 items that I'm really ecstatic about. The moisturizer is such a big ticket item. It makes up a pretty big portion of this retail value, but I don't know, I'm just on the fence about it. I know it has gold in it and peptides and things, but I don't know if it's gonna do anything crazy for me. Like my arm where I put the moisturizer isn't really feeling like anything special. So I will definitely try everything and give you guys my thoughts. I may pass along the body butter just because the scent is a little different for me, but scents are very different for everyone. So a lot of people probably love that, and it's just not my favorite. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing. Let me know what you think about this assortment. Again, sorry that I don't have on cute makeup and stuff, but I just wanted to get in here and unbox this for you. And that is it for now. I do have one more Ipsy, I swear. The unboxings are coming to an end for the month, and don't forget to let me know down below what your thoughts are. Do you like these videos separate like I've been doing them, or would you like for me to combine them? You know, I can wait a day or two and get the boxes together and then film if you guys would prefer that. Fewer videos, but maybe a little bit more in depth, and they would be a little bit longer, obviously. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!